Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the preset file and app. Install Alight Motion and grant storage access so imports work. Next, move the XML into a known folder or cloud drive. This prevents import errors. Now open a new project and use Import XML to locate the file. You should see a preview. If so, confirm the import. This first step gets the preset into your project, so you can modify it instead of rebuilding complex motion from scratch. Once the preset is on your timeline, you apply it to your media and adjust layers to fit. Select the imported composition, then add your clip under or above it, matching scale and anchor points so motion aligns. Make sure the aspect ratio, like 16:9 or custom sizes, is consistent to avoid stretching. Then edit keyframes and easing to match your clip's tempo. Tweak color controls or masks so the preset blends naturally. This step turns the template into your unique shot. To finish, render a short test export to confirm motion, timing, and colors at full resolution. If something looks off, make sure all effects referenced by the XML are present. Missing effects cause broken looks. Once done, optimize by trimming unused layers and backing up. Duplicate the project so you have a safe version. If import fails, clear Alight Motion cache and retry, or reinstall the preset. These fixes resolve most corrupt or incompatible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.